FLEG is a program that was specifically designed with a clear vision, and that was to establish a presence in the drone industry for women.
The higher speeds are definitely nerve-wracking and exciting.
There's also so many different shots and stuff you can do with it. There's droney and it goes all the way up.
This program was kind of born with that intention, was to give young women an opportunity to have a presence in not only just the drone industry, but in aviation and also the STEM-related careers.
And then I was able to discover that I can do college courses on drones, and I didn't know that. So I can do that in high school.
So we are partnering with the school district, with South Fayette, Baldwin, which really are the individuals who launched the program. We thought this is a great model. It can definitely be replicated to support our youth programming. So here we are.
50 feet doesn't sound that high, and then when you get a drone up 50 feet, it's a lot. So it's pretty exciting.
Each of the girls, as a part of our generous sponsorship and funding from the PNC Foundation, each of the girls are getting a drone. And so this is actually the kit.
It's just more just than just girls flying drones. It's getting these girls they're all from different schools, and getting them to network and connect with each other and share with each other is probably the biggest thing, the takeaway from it.